Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with OMG Hair again. I always love their packaging. It's so minimalistic yet so classy. It just has their brand name listed and it's a simple solid gray box. So let's see what we got. There's a drawstring bag on the inside with a wig, of course. Then I got a thank you card. I got an extra elastic band, flyaway tamer, always good to get those. I got like a scarf, extra elastic band again, a rat tail comb, and of course a wig cap. That's everything that came in the box. So for the wig, we got this drawstring bag. It says OMG Her Hair. So for today's wig, we're working with a kinky straight bob. Okay, a kinky straight bob. This is of a natural color. Alright, so for my minimalistic people who want to give that natural vibe, this wig is for you. Okay, it's a nice blunt cut as well. It's 12 inches long, 150% in density. It's, as I said before, kinky straight. You can definitely see that texture. And the whole front of the lace here, it's bleached. The knots are bleached. It's a 13x4 lace front, and yeah, it's a natural color. So yeah, I'm kind of excited to switch it up. It's been a while since I've done a texture like this, so this is what we're doing today. The front is pre-plucked and it's looking really good. It feels good, so that's good. It feels very strong. I don't know, something funny about these wigs, like they shed less. That's just my experience. I don't know what it is, but these, I don't know if it's because the strands are so strong. Like, I don't know if they're wefted in, and like, I don't know, like the way they're wefted makes it stronger. I don't know, but it's like less shedding with these textures. So I don't know, could just be me, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into installation. Oh, let me show you the inside. Didn't show you the inside. It has 4 combs in total, adjustable straps in the back. Pretty standard cap construction. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into installing this. I really love how natural the hairline looks. It's plucked, but it's like it's not overly done, and it just have this nice little subtle graduation. It's not too much. It came with this center part.
Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor. Oh, we feeling so high. Don't be afraid of falling, falling. Cause you know we gon' fly. Cause we be on a top floor.
really easy to install. I just did my swoops. I was tempted to do no baby hairs or swoops at all, but I had to. It's so nice. Yeah, it's really nice. So I'm gonna take my 𝙊𝙈𝙂 tamer and just get hair really laid, and then I'm just gonna proceed to getting it really nice and bone straight. One thing that makes me so excited about this install so far is the fact that the lace is melted so nicely, so seamlessly. It's like melted. Okay, so I think that's one thing why I'm so excited so far. Straightening this hair, and as I said before, it's kinky straight, but you know, it gives that very natural vibe. You see that hair? Nice, thick, strong texture. It's very, after, you know, straightening it and everything, came off very flowy, you know, very extremely full. It just looks like natural, healthy, luscious hair, you know, right after you blow dry it and then you go straight into straightening it. It's really pretty, so I love that about this wig. It's absolutely gorgeous. Look at that. I'm going to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please feel free to go ahead and check it out. OMG Her Hair, you did it again. This is some bomb quality hair. It's really nice. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. So all my chicas who want to keep it, you know, looking natural, elegant and gorgeous. All the specifications will be listed as usual, so please go ahead and check that out. Also, just leave your thoughts, as I said before. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Check out my vlog channel at PETITE-SUE TV. And yeah, just keep on supporting your girl. I'm very appreciative for all the love and the continued support. And that's pretty much it for today's hair look. So until next time, I'm your girl, Petite. Bye.